you want to feel in this relationship with your dream partner. When we have a really clear idea of where it is that we're going, then it makes it so much more clear as well when men aren't showing up to meet us there. So then it's not us trying to mold and contortion ourselves to fit whatever this man is trying to give us. And instead, it's us holding the vision and saying, are you ready to step up and meet me there? And that just brings all the power back into your hands again, so that you're not giving it away and saying, please, will you be with me? Please come, let's make a relationship together. It's saying, this is where I'm going. This is the kind of relationship I know I want to have. And either you can decide to step up and be that man for me, or I'm going to make space for somebody else. And I think at this point, it's either just getting back out there and just putting your focus onto other men so that you don't have this focus on him anymore, or just really asking yourself, what are other things that I can do to fill up my own cup right now so that I'm not putting that focus on him and holding out hope that he's going to come back.